I love is understatement. I so much love this, for the fact it's coming down.
I gotta do better, gotta speak better, gotta live better. I gotta do better.
Hello my lovely creatures, how are you all doing? I hope everybody's doing okay. Don't mind the way I'm talking, I'm so down with cold, I have stuffed nose. Sometimes I can't even breathe well, I have to breathe through my mouth, so whatever you see me going through now, just ignore it. You might see me doing just ignore it. I'm trying to clear the noise free. If you are new here, my name is RosesGlam, and on today's video I'm going to do unboxing, right? I'm going to do unboxing. It's a surprise package, though I know, but I never knew that my husband was going to buy it. I talked about it, but I was surprised when they delivered it. I was like, whoa, I never expected it, So I'm going to unbox it with you guys, and again I have another thing I'm going to show you guys. So without taking so much of our time, let's check it out. Okay, first of all, I will do the unboxing. Is from Adidas direct. This it came from, please ignore the noise coming from the background. The little one is in there with the papa, so she wants to come to me, but I told them to just chill, let me just finish this. So it's from Adidas direct. I loved it and I wanted it, but yeah, he surprised me with it, so I'm going to kind of open it. Yeah, I love this. You won't believe what's here. Though we did not win the match, but this is what I wanted. I love it. It's this. So this is the receipt. It's coming from Adidas direct. It's a customized t-shirt. It's yeah, it's this. A Belgium jersey. It's this. I'm going to wear it so that you guys can see how it looks on me. So this is it. I love it. So how do you see this? I'm going to try it out so that you guys can see how it looks like. So this is it.
To deceive her, he shames her and tells her that she's nothing. The lies he filled her head with are now on her arms and wrists. She could have been someone, done something special, or off to college to make an effort to be a high achiever, giving her all and
I love it. Definitely, love is understatement. I so much love this, for the fact it's coming from Adidas itself and it's a custom, I love everything about it, so I'm going to cherish this. This is my first original jersey, Belgium jersey I've gotten so far. So how do you guys see it? You can see it's Adidas and here is a Belgium flag. And the second one of the and the second one of the whole package is so guys, to be quite honest with you, I can't say that I'm not a lazy person. I'm not a procrastinator, but when you are too busy with work, with kids, with so many things, I got this more than 3 weeks ago. It has been laying there. I've not done anything about it. I said I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to open it. Before I go ahead to open it, I need to show you guys that I have gotten my AdSense Pin. So I'm so happy. Most of you know me, what I've gone through, and at the end of the day I got to this channel and I made it. I didn't just, let me not just say I made it, we made it, without you all, without your support, without your love, I don't think I'll be presenting this to you. So on behalf of everyone, on behalf of my subscribers, on behalf of my viewers, this is for you all, this is for us, we made it. I just want to use this opportunity to thank you guys once again. You all are so awesome. I love you guys. So this is it. I've not opened it, so I'm going to open it in your front now. I'm going to open it, then I will go ahead to enter it. I'll go ahead to verify, because I've gotten a notification for some time now to verify my address, and I need this to verify. It's just they have not really done anything about it. So I said I'm not going to do it until I show you all that yes, I have gotten this. So you all worth it. You all need to know what's going on with the channel. All right, so finally we got it. I'm going to enter it, so I just want to open it in your presence so that later on I can go ahead and verify the whole thing. So this is it. So this is the end of this video. If you do like it, especially my jersey, if you like it, give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to share this video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, consider hitting on that button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time a new video goes up. Thank you so much, and I love you guys, and have a blessed evening, morning, afternoon. Bye now.
Actions. Why can't we support each other like the people who hanged us? Why can't we just be ourselves without them thinking